Okay, so now we're headed back after the police stopped by. They were concerned about the teepee. Teepee walking the streets. And a mohawk.
Heather's in a mohawk now. I was going to say something.
I don't want this teepee to
Oh, the fact that the police would actually come.
Oh yes.
Is amazing.
Like, can you imagine the phone call? There's a teepee knocking.
There's a teepee knocking on the door.
Where are you? The legislature?
So we're gonna walk back the long way.
I should ask them what the phone call sounded like.
Teepee should be sneaking across the grass again, I think. There's a squirrel over there. Look, Mother Nature is giving Teepee a squirrel. See if you can stalk it.
What's the sneak-up song going?
I don't know. You don't catch jumped on.
You could create a movie. We'll walk on it.
Ha ha ha.